3D floor mats versus factory carpets. In this video I will be installing these 3D floor mats, so stay tuned to watch the pros and cons and if they are worth purchasing. Also, what's the difference between 3D floor mats and factory carpets and why they are called 3D? That I will explain later in the video, so let's start. It is recommended to remove all the carpets before installing the 3D floor mats, and as we can see, I had previously purchased these rubber floor mats which this type never fit properly, and here is the original carpet, and I will be removing this one as well since the 3D will perform better. And here's a clear difference between a 3D and a regular carpet. The 3D covers more surface area. It is also stiffer and harder than the original carpet. Also, the 3D floor mat has been molded into that shape and it will maintain that shape, and to me that's much better. So here I'm just installing the carpet and it fits precisely and it's very easy to install. The good thing about these carpets is that they fit precisely for your car, and here it is just a bit loose because it's just an internet brand, but to me they work very well. So these carpets are called 3D because they use a 3D laser gun to measure the dimensions of your car. Then they use those 3D dimensions to mold the carpet into a shape, and that's why they are called 3D. So here's the factory carpet and now the 3D carpet, which is made of rubber and it's harder and it also fits precisely, and you can see the edges, they curve upwards, and that retains the water within the carpet as well as pebbles, dirt, whatever. So that is the reason why I prefer these carpets over the factory ones. Because of the curved edges and the precise fitment, the carpets never move out of place when getting on and off the car, so they feel like they are part of the car. So what are the pros of the 3D carpets? They cover more surface area, they do not move around when getting on and off the car, they are waterproof, and they are easier to clean and vacuum. For the cons, you can see water and mud. They may fade over time and they always look stained. Now for the regular carpets, the pros are they hide water and mud more than 3D carpets and are easier to install and remove. For the cons, they do not cover much surface area unlike 3D. They retain more dirt and pebbles, and they wear down faster because of its softer materials, as well as liquids are harder to dry off. So here I am installing the rear floor mats, and they feel very hard and fit precisely. These are generic brands, so that's why the edge looks a bit distorted, but that's fine with me. Also, like I said, the carpets do not move when getting on and off the car, and that's very important. The set includes a floor mat for the rear trunk, and I will be removing the factory carpet as well before installing the rear floor mat. The original carpets need to come off before installing the new floor mats for a better fitment, because when they take the measurements with the 3D gun, they remove the carpets as well. So I don't like how the trunk floor mat looks like. It's very loose and the edges seem very distorted. However, I think the floor mat will mold and shape itself around the trunk over time. So this is not an advertisement or sponsorship, so that's why I'm not revealing the brand of these carpets. If you want a set of these carpets, just go online and type in 3D floor mats and then you can choose whatever brand you want. Also, the driver's side floor mat, it covers the footrest and it's very high, unlike the original carpet. And also these floor mats do not interfere with the brake pedal and the accelerator, so they are well designed. And here we can see that the carpet fits very nicely around the car. And the most important thing is that they are waterproof and the carpets do not move when getting in and off the car. So now I'm doing a liquid spillage test, and as we can see, the water runs through the water channels and the water stays there until you dry off the water, unlike the regular carpets that actually the water goes through the carpet all the way to the floor. But here it's very easy to dry off the water using a rag. Here I'm doing another liquid spillage test in the trunk floor mats, and the water stays in there, it doesn't penetrate, and it's very easy to dry off the water using a rag. So that's it for this video. Comment down below which are your favorites or which are the best floor mats or carpets. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.